Today I brought you another baked jollof rice with pepper sauce. This is very easy. You don't need to do any pot watching. This is quite easy to make and it tastes so delicious. No need to fry anything. All goes in at once and it tastes awesome. So here I'm using different kind of pepper with this, and you can see even the spicy ones, and onion, garlic, ginger. So these are the ingredient, most of the ingredient I'm gonna use for this recipe. So I will blend it. So this is the blended form, and here I already made a cut on my chicken. I will use half of it to marinate this chicken. So remember, just as I told you, nothing will be pre-cooked, nothing will be fried all at once. I'm adding thyme, basil. So at this point, you need to add any ingredient that you feel you're comfortable with. I added parsley, salt to taste, curry powder, and chicken powder. So I added a cup of oil, vegetable oil. Then I'll mix everything to well combine so that my meat will be marinated. So this is quickest way you can make your jollof rice. So I'll set it aside for 15 minutes. So here I'm using basmati rice. I just soak it with hot water. So I don't need to parboil it. I just soak it with hot water, then I rinse it off. So here it is. I'll be pouring in the remaining sauce and I will mix everything to well combine. Remember, just as I told you, I'm adding also the meat marinated stock. So I'll mix everything to well combine. With this recipe, you don't need to pre-cook anything. Everything goes into the oven at once, including the chicken. And the good thing about this recipe is that it tastes even better. You can taste all the ingredients in their natural form. You don't need to overcook them by frying and then other things. Here, it tastes even much better. So now I'll add my chicken. So chicken, still you don't need to cook it. Everything cooks inside this rice. So this is very easy way you can make your jollof. You don't need to pot watch anything. All goes in at the same time. So now I'll be baking it for 15 minutes. So in between, you can see it's almost ready. So I need to flip the chicken again. I need to flip it over on the other side so that the other side will be baked. You can see how good it looks. So I just need that crispy chicken. So I need to let the other side baked also very well. So I'll put it back in the oven and let it stay for another 20 minutes. Wow, the aroma is something else. It tastes so good and it smells so good. You can see it's looking good already. So I have to put it back again in the oven and let it bake for another 20 minutes. So this is after 20 minutes. You can see how it looks so good and the chicken well baked. So will you be trying this? Let me know at the comment section. This is very easy way you can make your jollof rice. And it tastes good. So I know some of you will be saying, oh, there's no tomatoes. Sometimes I don't like using tomato for jollof rice. I hope you get to try this. Thank you for watching and see you again on my next video. Bye.